First things first, head over to the Apple Store or Google Play and download the Hypervolt app. It's free, simply download, then open it up and create an account. You can use Apple or Google sign in if you want to be quick about it, or just set up with an email and password. Here's where it gets real, adoption. Make sure Bluetooth is switched on, your phone and your charger are about to have a conversation. Stand within 5 meters of the charger. Don't worry about it being perfect, just reasonably close. Open the app, tap Start Scanning. Then let's hunt for your Hypervolt. When it finds it, you'll see the charger pop up. Select it, tap Adopt, and boom, it's linked to your account. Next, connect to Wi-Fi. Pick your home network, enter your password. Now, if you're serious about this, and honestly, you should be, get an Ethernet cable running to the charger. Wi-Fi's fine, but Ethernet is rock solid for remote control. No dropouts, no guessing. Pure, hardwired magic. Set your location, country, time zone, currency, done. The charger is live and ready. You can now control your EV from anywhere in the world. That's crazy.